there we go. There's that behavior. I'm getting tired of doing all this sitting. Let's see. Good. Nice. There you go. Oh, we missed it. You do that again? Nice. Good. Nice. Good girl. Way to go. Nice. Just got wood in my fingernails. Nice. Good girl. I can't get it. Good. Okay, that was not the way I wanted. Ouch. Good. Good. Nice. Do it again. Good girl. You're almost a little bit too long for this box. That's okay. Good. Good. Again. Hold on. Up. There we go. Good girl. Good. Nice. Okay, I'll take that. Not what I quite want. There we go. Good. Good. Yeah, good job. Okay, well, here. Yeah, good girl. That's what I wanted, I think. Good. And we go again. Good job. Good. Whatever works, right? Good. Ow, my knuckle. Okay. Good. Okay. Everyone makes it look easy, and in fact, it's very hard. I'm a mess. We're a mess. Hold on. Okay, we'll take that. I guess we're calm. No, it's gone and lost forever. There. Okay, I'll take that. Okay. I'll let you have that one. That one was not lost and gone forever. Okay, we're gonna go back to sits. No! If you can't take it, no. Go back. Go back. Go back. You decided not to take the food when I released it. Yes. There you go. See? That's what I do. Yes. We're regrouping right now. Yes. 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 Good job. Let's try this now.